helpful or not, but I'm getting no charge coming from my alternator on my C15. And looking it up, the price of stators is awfully expensive. So I've gone for just a hunch. This is actually a 6-volt stator for a Royal Enfield. Now, I sent off for this on eBay. It's arrived, the colours of the wires are not quite the same as what was on the diagram there, but in measuring the bolt holes and everything, they're in the right place to fit onto my C15. So I'm going to give this a try. I've also measured the resistances across these terminals here because I've got no guidance at all as to where these wires are going. This is the eBay advert and pictures. I believe I may have been sent the wrong stator. I believe I may have been sent a 12-volt stator because the colours of my wires are different. My wires are yellow, red and a deep purple. However, it works, so I'm happy with that. I couldn't find a diagram showing the coils and how they were arranged for a C15 alternator, but I did find this for a B40 alternator, which I presume is the same. Going from green and black to green and yellow, we're going through several coils in series, so we would expect a fairly high resistance. Going from green and black to white and green, we're just going through 2 coils in series, so we'd expect a kind of medium resistance. Going from green and yellow to white and green, we are going through 2 coils in series, but then these are in parallel with another 2 coils, so this we would expect to be the lowest resistance. This is what I found for the Royal Enfield stator. Yellow to purple give the highest resistance, yellow to red give a medium resistance, and purple to red give the lowest resistance. So here's how I'm going to wire the Royal Enfield stator to match the resistances of the B40 stator. I'm going to connect green and black to yellow, I'm going to connect green and yellow to purple, and I'm going to connect white and green to red. Another wee job done.